The easiest way to understand modeling is to actually start from scratch, right? And once you build a model from scratch, you really understand the process that goes into it and some of the challenges that you might not kind of realize when you're building an existing or populating a pre-existing template. So a couple of other things. So this is where we're going to be working in the beginning, right? And so the way we're going to teach this course is we're going to start with just kind of an empty template like you see here. We've populated some row headers, and I should say template's the wrong word. There's no calculations here for you. We've just given you standard line items for an income statement and shaded off areas where we want you to actually do the work, put in the right data, right? And we've done that for the income statement. The only formulas we've done is we've given you formulas that automatically pull whatever the current latest fiscal year end date is, extract the year from that, and you use the year function for that, and then you work backwards. And we formatted this to have an A at the end using custom formatting, so this still retains its integrity as a number. We've also created the dates down below, so fiscal year 2018, A for actual, down below is the date, and then we use the EO month function to increment down by 12 months. Now sometimes, actually, the company might have a date that's a little off because, you know, the 9/30 fell on a weekend, so they might actually do this, in which case it's totally reasonable to just hard code whatever the date the company reports on its income statement. If you don't have a specific date, you can always just use the EO month function to make things automatic. So we loop those dates, we just equal sign reference them into the balance sheet. Those are the only formulas that we have put in. I lied, there's one more. And this formula is a balance checker, and it basically ensures that when you plug in the total assets, those total assets exactly equal the company's total liabilities and equity. We've added a round function so that you don't get this annoying thing which happens sometimes in circular models where it balances but only to the nearest 0.0001. Right, so we've rounded it so we don't have to worry about sort of circularity related errors, but only real errors. So that's why there's a round function there that says I want you to round this to the nearest 3 digits. Okay. So if it's more than that, you know, we're not going to worry about it. That's probably due to circularity.